In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix Facebook Pixel and Wix Facebook integration. To get started, open your Wix site dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage your website settings, marketing tools, and integrations. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This section is where Wix keeps the core configuration options for your site. So if you ever need to adjust how your website connects with outside tools, this is usually the place to begin. After you open Settings, scroll down until you find Marketing Integrations. Go ahead and click on that. This area is specifically designed for connecting your Wix website with advertising, analytics, and tracking platforms. If your goal is to run Facebook ads more effectively or track visitor actions on your site, this is the section you'll want to use. Inside Marketing Integrations, look for the Meta Pixel option. When you find it, click Connect. This starts the setup process that allows your Wix site to communicate with Meta, which includes Facebook. The pixel is important because it helps track activity on your website, such as page visits, purchases, or other valuable actions depending on how your site is set up. That tracking can help improve ad performance and give you better reporting inside your Meta tools. At this point, you'll need to connect your Facebook account. Follow the prompts on the screen and make sure you choose the correct business assets if you manage more than one account or pixel. It's a good idea to move slowly here so you connect the right Facebook business account and the correct pixel to your website. That way, your tracking data goes to the right place from the start. Once the connection is made, the next part is to verify your domain on Facebook. This is an important step because domain verification helps Meta confirm that you own the website you're connecting. It can also be required for certain tracking features and ad-related settings. Wix provides instructions during this process, so make sure you follow the guidance shown on the screen carefully. The platform typically walks you through what to do, which makes this step much easier even if it's your first time setting it up. After you complete the domain verification, that's it. Your Wix Facebook Pixel integration should be connected and ready to use. If you want more, you can always return later to confirm the connection status inside your Wix dashboard. And check your Meta account to make sure everything is active and tracking properly.